Have you ever stepped into an English countryside cottage and instantly felt a sense of warmth and comfort? Why do these homes feel so inviting, timeless, and full of charm, even when they're simple and lived in? Curious how floral fabrics, vintage furniture, soft lighting, and rustic textures combine to create that classic English cottage atmosphere? And wondering how small touches, like fresh garden flowers, woven baskets, antique accessories, and cozy textiles, can transform your own home into a charming countryside retreat? Stay with us, because today we're exploring English cottage interior ideas inspired by cozy traditional European design. What defines English cottage interior design? English cottage interiors are all about comfort, charm, and timeless character. The style combines vintage furniture, natural materials, and soft decorative details to create spaces that feel warm and welcoming. Rather than looking perfectly styled, cottage interiors embrace a slightly relaxed and lived-in appearance that reflects everyday life in the countryside. Why do cottage homes feel so cozy? Cottage homes often feature smaller rooms, low ceilings, and intimate layouts, which naturally create a sense of comfort. Layered fabrics, warm lighting, and natural materials enhance this atmosphere, making the home feel like a peaceful retreat from busy modern life. If you love cozy European interior ideas, like this video and share it with someone who enjoys cottage-style homes. What colour palettes work best for English cottage interiors? Cottage interiors often feature soft, nature-inspired colours. Cream, sage green, dusty blue, warm beige, and muted floral tones reflect the surrounding countryside and create a calming environment. These gentle hues help the space feel bright while maintaining its relaxed charm. How do floral patterns enhance cottage decor? Floral patterns are one of the most recognizable elements of English cottage style. Found on cushions, curtains, upholstery, and wallpaper, these prints are inspired by English gardens filled with roses, lavender, and wildflowers. They add personality, softness, and a connection to nature. Tell us in the comments which cottage color palette you would choose for your home. What furniture defines a traditional cottage living room? Cottage furniture often includes wooden tables, vintage cabinets, comfortable armchairs, and classic sofas. Pieces with carved details, aged finishes, or painted wood bring character and history into the room. Comfort is just as important as style. How does a fireplace influence the cottage aesthetic? A fireplace often becomes the heart of the cottage living room. Whether made of stone, brick, or painted wood, it creates a focal point that encourages relaxation and gathering. Fireplaces also reinforce the sense of warmth that defines cottage interiors. For more European home decor inspiration, check out our full playlist in the description below. What textiles are commonly used in cottage interiors? Textiles add softness and comfort throughout the home. Quilts, knitted blankets, linen curtains, and patterned cushions create layers of warmth while adding visual interest. These fabrics help make the space feel relaxed and inviting. How does lighting shape the cottage ambience? Lighting in cottage homes is soft and warm rather than bright and modern. Table lamps, wall sconces, and candlelight create a gentle glow that enhances the cozy atmosphere of the space. Warm lighting also highlights the textures of wood and fabric. Subscribe for more cozy European interior design ideas and home inspiration. How can plants enhance cottage-style interiors? Plants bring the beauty of the countryside indoors. Fresh flowers in simple vases, potted herbs on windowsills, or small houseplants placed on shelves add life and freshness to the room. These natural touches help reinforce the cottage's connection to nature. What decorative accents complete the cottage look? Small decorative accents help personalize the space. Ceramic vases, woven baskets, vintage books, framed artwork, and antique accessories add charm without overwhelming the room. These objects create a collected and welcoming atmosphere. Love these cottage styling ideas. Find similar decor items linked in the description below. How can kitchens reflect English cottage style? Cottage kitchens often feature wooden cabinets, open shelves, and farmhouse-style dining tables. Decorative plates, glass jars, and fresh herbs on the counter add rustic charm, while keeping the kitchen practical for everyday use. What wall decor works best in cottage homes? Vintage paintings, botanical prints, antique mirrors, and framed illustrations all complement the traditional aesthetic. These pieces add visual interest while maintaining the relaxed charm of cottage interiors. Explore more home decor inspiration in our similar videos listed in the description. How can small homes adopt cottage-style interiors? Cottage decor works beautifully in small homes because it emphasizes comfort and warmth. Using light colors, vintage accents, and layered textiles can transform even a small room into a cozy retreat. What seasonal decorations suit cottage homes? Cottage homes often reflect the changing seasons. Spring flowers, autumn branches, winter candles, and dried floral arrangements keep the home feeling fresh and connected to nature throughout the year. If you enjoy timeless interior ideas like this, make sure to subscribe for weekly design inspiration. How can you achieve the cottage look on a budget? Creating cottage charm doesn't require expensive furniture. Thrift stores, flea markets, and antique shops often hold beautiful vintage pieces waiting to be rediscovered. Repurposing old furniture and adding simple textiles can create a charming cottage interior without spending much money. English cottage interiors celebrate warmth, comfort, and timeless beauty. By combining soft colours, vintage furniture, floral patterns, and natural textures, You can create a home that feels peaceful and welcoming. Whether you live in a countryside cottage or a modern apartment, these ideas can help bring the charm of traditional European living into your everyday space. If you enjoyed these English cottage interior ideas, like this video and share it with friends who love cozy homes. Tell us your favourite cottage decor idea in the comments below. Explore our European interior design playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more interior design ideas every week. Looking for more decor inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. Find decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.